The ratchet grater makes grating fast, easy, and fun. Simply insert cheese into easy-to-open door, and move ergonomic ratchet handle back and forth and watch as cheese neatly falls from the grater. Easy to disassemble. Great for chocolates and nuts as well.
The Maestouer Soft Vegetable Slicer is a revolutionary cooking tool that will save you time and allow you to serve dishes that look like they were prepared by a professional chef. Perfect for fruits and vegetables, the Maestouer Soft Vegetable Slicer is ergonomically designed to cut through soft fruits and vegetables like tomatoes, mushrooms, or even boiled egg. Made out of the finest grade of ABS plastic, BPA-free material, and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades to ensure that it can last through years of use. Using Maestouer Soft Vegetable Slicer is easy and fast. Place a soft vegetable, fruit, or even a hard-boiled egg or a pitted olive on the stand. Position the cutter over top, hold onto the comfortable soft grip handles, and simply push down. The stainless steel blades will do the rest, slicing through without crushing or smashing. You end up with precise, pristine cuts every time. Maestouer Soft Vegetable Slicer is safe, versatile, and reliable for home-cooked meals enhanced by the ease of innovative food preparation.
The adjustable mandolin is the handy alternative to large mandolins. Slice carrots, potatoes, cheese, and more like a professional. The extra sharp stainless steel blade adjusts from paper thin to 3.5 millimeters thick. It comes with a handguard to protect your fingers while slicing.
Make sure the bottle is on a firm flat surface. Place the bottle mate over the top of the bottle, push down firmly and quickly. The bottle top is removed with ease. Bottle Mate, probably the best bottle opener in the world.